Hey guys, so I discovered something really cool. And what I discovered was that you can make boba tea with just a microwave. And I'm kind of like tripping out about it. I found the video, I did some research, and I tweaked it a bit myself to see, can it happen? And because the whole boba process takes a minute. You gotta put on the stove and set it up. And if this can be done in the microwave, we have just revolutionized something big. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I am back. That boba was a complete and utter bust. It's gotta be trashed. That boba has to be trashed completely. The microwave ruined it. It could not be recooked. It could not be salvaged. It was hard, and even recooked, it was still hard. So yeah. It was a complete and utter fail, but at least we got to see me do the Taro roots, which is right here. Yeah, it's Taro roots boba tea, or not tea, it's considered tea if it's Taro, I guess. But yeah, it's a beautiful purple color. This is my first time also using my new camera in the sunlight. This natural light is super early in the morning, so I'm not even wearing any lipstick. I just wanted to really do this video with y'all. I was so curious to see, can you microwave boba? The answer is, for me, no. But tell me in the comments if you managed to do that. For me, I did not manage it. But yeah, I just literally realized I was looking at the wrong spot on the camera. I told y'all it's a new camera. So yeah, here's the thing. If you see some online talking about they can microwave boba, I wouldn't chance it because it seems not really work. And that's just that. I've given it a try and it doesn't work. I did my research, it didn't work. It's better to just do it on the stove. It'll save you a whole hour's worth of failure. But I had to see, for me, it did not work. But tell me in the comments, did y'all manage it? Have you ever managed it, or did you already know you can't do that? I hate making a video that is disappointing. I thought it could revolutionize the boba world, you know, make it quick and fast and it's ready, and no, I couldn't manage it, which really sucks. But we have the taro root, and I have been really meaning to do that with y'all. This beautiful purple color with the black ballies are just adorable. I love this one. It tastes like marshmallow. Taro is my favorite. I've had milk tea regular one, but the taro one is literally marshmallowy deliciousness. I love it. Lovely drink. So that's basically it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video despite it being an epic failure. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all guys later. Hopefully more reviews and more fun things to do with my new camera. Okay, guys. Bye.